Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 10 August 2018, 18 of hour, 38 of minute and 19 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how long can fudge be kept in the fridge? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how long can fudge be kept in the fridge. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about how long can fudge be kept in the fridge. Otherwise, try to use a container with a tight-fitting lid. In a cool place, the fudge will keep for about 2 weeks, but you can also keep the fudge in the fridge, which will extend the life for 3 to 4 weeks. Fudge can also be frozen in airtight containers for up to 3 months. Last update Jan 15, 2015. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.